I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. If you find these systems a struggle, remember PD Tech offers full-service bookkeeping tailored for NZ trades.
Xero understands that payroll holds highly sensitive information, so we developed user roles to control access and protect your payroll data. Let's have a look. The Payroll Admin user role has full access to Xero Payroll. Payroll admins can set up payroll, add employees and pay calendars, manage pay runs, run payroll reports, and invite your staff to manage their own pay information. Your organization's subscriber has this role by default. They can invite others into your Xero organization and give them the same role. Here's how the subscriber can assign the payroll admin role to someone. Click their name, then select Payroll Admin. Then, click Update Permissions. When the person refreshes Xero or next logs in, they'll have access to Xero Payroll. If your payroll administrator isn't in Xero, click Invite a User, enter their details, select Payroll Admin, and click Send Invite. You can also manage their access to other parts of your organization if you need. They'll get an email asking them to accept the invitation. Once they click the link, they can create their Xero login to manage your payroll. Next, let's look at approving leave and time. You can assign managers the ability to approve leave requests and time entries. If they don't have the payroll admin role, they can manage leave and timesheets in the Team Management or Approvals tab of Xero Me. They won't see any other payroll information. Payroll admin users can invite employees to manage their pay information. Your employees can download the Xero Me mobile app to access their payroll information. They can view their payslips, submit timesheets, request leave, and managers can approve leave and time entries for other employees. This reduces your admin burden and gives your employees more control of their pay details and requests. And that's it. You can find more information or contact support in Xero Central.